Hi Sean, this is Adebukola Ogunleye. So I'll be taking you through my website, and the name of the research topic I chose is Internet of Things and the Next Generation. The rapid adaptation of Internet of Things and the Next Generation. My aim of choosing the topic was to find out if this gadget is controlling lives, if it's having any side effects in people's life, or if people feel like the importance of the devices are more than any other thing. I wanted to know people's thoughts, people's opinion, and what we stand to achieve for the next generation. Like, will this be more complicated for the next generation? Will this change the lifestyle of the next generation in a positive or negative way? I wanted to find out people's opinion about these devices. So that was why I aimed at the topic. Then this is the home page. I have the title here. I also have the introduction here, introducing what Internet of Things are and what people have said about it, and what authors and all have said about it. Then I have the connectivity chain of things. I wanted to bring an opinion of someone that I actually look up to, and that's Ben Agland, and he made a point about Internet of Things and the connectivity of it, how you can connect to like a wristband, you can connect it to your alarm, you can connect it to the traffic to know. So by the time the wristband, there's a long chain today, which gives you like this smart and comfortable life. Everything is programmed to make you live comfortable, do things comfortable, save time and all. So there's a video there to understand more about the Internet of Things and the connectivity chain of these devices. Then I have a gallery here of the Internet of Things devices. Then about me, yeah. Then the next page is the Internet of Things, the topic itself. Here. So the aim of writing this was to just give you more insight about give insight about what Internet of Things is, what people really have to say, thought about people, opinion about people. Sorry, my network. And I wrote about the rapid adaptation of Internet of Things, why people are using these devices, why people are getting comfortable with it, why this generation, what's the problem. I actually listed this page was just to introduce you to where I'm going to. I know there's an introduction page that was just defining Internet of Things, but this one was defining my research. Yes, my research topic. It was introducing you to what I intend introducing the readers on what I intend to find out on my research topic. What we would this Internet of Things be of harm to the next generation? Will it make control their lives? Will this reduce the labor chain? Will this little things that we could do with our hands? Are we going to become dependent on all this kind of devices? Questions like that will lead to my research answers. So I just made a point here about where I am going to, what I'm diving at, and what questions I want to find out. Then I just at this point, and I listed the Internet of Things devices. I just wanted my readers to have a clue about this kind of devices we have. Then I gave a conclusion here on why I want to carry out this research. I've listed the topic. I've defined it. I have told you the things I want to find out, and the conclusion was why I'm finding out about these things. Then the next page. Sorry, my network. So after the Internet of Things, the next page is a case study. So in this case study, stroke scenario of the chain of Internet of Things, I wanted to bring out, like, my point of doing this page was to list out organizations, company, or individual experience that they have used these devices, and how far it has gone for them, their experiences, to share the experiences, to share the connectivity, the chain of how one has connected to the other, to help them build, like, give them this life that everybody's saying. It's this comfortability, this smartness that everyone is talking about. But I don't really find companies that have really dwelled. My research so far, I couldn't find companies that have used these devices, like, in particular, names in particular, like, if it's a company, let me get the name, let me get the device they're using and how it has helped. I couldn't get something like that. So what I could get was example scenarios of people of people saying, okay, imagine we use this. This is how to connect to this. This is how to connect to this. This is how to help you. This is what connects to this. So that is what I could get, and I gathered different kind of data from people of how this device. Like, the first one is the Internet of Things for daily living. How alarm is connected to security, how security is connected your appliances, and how just one gadget is connected to the other to know that for daily living. I was able to I wrote a scenario about that. Then we have for security and lightning, how from your phone you can control your security, just in case you are heading to work and you could not, like, close the front door of the house, and then maybe the lights will turn on, and to manage the, like, your meters and your light bill, and so you could just use your phone to control all this. There's the scenario for that also. Then I have the one for cars like Tesla now, for example, where you could where the car detects there's a sensor there where in diagnostic bus it detects what is wrong with the car and send the information to the manufacturer, which manufacturer will actually recommend, okay, and tell you what the manufacturer will tell you what is wrong with this thing, and set up an appointment for you. And we have the one for home appliances. This is the one that's so common. I gave a scenario about that also, and that is what it's all about. This case study stroke scenario of how these appliances have been used by people and how it has connected objects together to, like, give a comfortable life. Then the next page is my references, and I'm sorry, my network is slow again, very bad. It's loading. This page is basically just my reference, my sentence that I did, where I gathered my information from. That was all these pages. That is what all the page is all about. Sorry. Then the next one is my reflection. My reflection just reflects on how once I wrote about the topic. Once I started the topic, what I found out, how I found out more than what I intended on finding out. I want to, at the future, like, pursue more about the topic. Like, I'm so curious about so many things now, and the tools I used, and then the data, these sources that I used, and that was then the last the last I just wanted to give people idea, sorry, my readers idea of this product and companies that produce them, vendors in line with Internet of Things, the vendors that are in line that I just felt like I should, if I wanted to like write about this thing, I should just give readers like just little informations about these things. So basically I wrote about, I just give vendor their products, the vendor their product, the vendor their product, and that is all what I was doing there. In all, I enjoyed the topic. My aim was at the end of the day, I found out that um, people are aware of the of the downside of these devices, like when you talk about the security part, and at this thing knowing more information than you, having more data than you, but what the devices are doing for them, it's more important than any other thing. And with my survey, my primary survey, the survey I did, I found out that people are like saying it's easy, it makes me work smarter. I don't think it's controlling my life. I think it's making me, live easy. People are more intrigued about what these devices are doing for them. And I see like these devices doing more in the next future, like in the nearest future. I see more of these devices are coming that you don't have to like do anything, lift your finger to like do anything, and these devices will do everything for you. Yeah, thank you.